this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Today I will be doing a beautiful spoon swipe flower. I haven't done one in a while, and I came up with this technique to create beautiful flowers. Of course, dahlias. It's easier to create those beautiful fine petals and to have that definition in your flower. I do hope you guys enjoy today's content, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family, guys. I would definitely love to know where you guys are watching from. If you could leave that in the comment section below. I know I've reached a lot of people across the globe, and I just want to say thank you. I really do appreciate it. The more you watch my videos, the more you share with your friends or family member, that's how I get to grow on YouTube. Really do appreciate you guys. I'm using only 3 colors today: cobalt blue, it's a metallic by Artist Loft, and purple. And then, guys, I have a surprise. I'll be using glitter for the first time in my spoon swipe dahlia flower. Super excited to share this with you because the way it turned out, I do love it. All right, so you guys have to watch all the way to the end to see the finished result and of course the dried result. Do hope you guys enjoy today's content. So let me mention too, guys, that there's a white base on the canvas. So the canvas is not dry. Okay, I do have a wet white base on the canvas. As you can see right now, I'm just layering my third color, which is just a turquoise. And guys, the way you layer your colors, yes, it do have a great effect in how the petals do show their definition, right? Sometimes as I practice, guys, the more I do it, the more you will kind of just do it your own way. You don't have to layer it the way how I do it. As you can see, guys, I definitely have changed it up a bit. Just go back and watch some of my previous videos. Go back and see my very first dahlia spoon swipe video, which is a purple. It's more lengthy in the way how I tell you how to swipe, and I swipe with the edge of my spoon, the side edge of my spoon, guys, and I swipe outwards. Each time I swipe, I wipe my spoon clean. Okay, it's very important that you do that. You don't want to track all the mess. Okay, yeah, that's just basically it. And I add several layers. The more layers you add, the more definition of the flower. Okay, the flower will look a little bit more 3D. I really do hope you guys will give this technique a try, and of course, you know what, share the video. That's how I get to reach more people on YouTube who want to think outside the box and just be more creative. I'm here to really inspire people to get up and try something different, while of course I'm trying to build my art career. But I'm here for you if you have any questions. If you want me to try a different color or different color combination, whatever it is, shoot me a message or just leave it in the comment section below. All right, guys, really do appreciate it. Stay tuned all the way to the end to see the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. Thank you so much.